Looking for emergency storm damage restoration in Austin, Texas? Look no further. Our team of experienced professionals is here to help you with all your storm damage repair needs. Whether it's a fallen tree, roof damage, or water intrusion, we have the expertise and tools to restore your property quickly and efficiently. In this video, we will address frequently asked questions and provide valuable insights to help you avoid common mistakes when dealing with storm damage restoration companies in Austin, Texas. We understand that this can be a stressful and overwhelming situation, so we want to equip you with the knowledge and guidance you need to make informed decisions. Our affordable storm damage repair services in Austin are available 24/7, ensuring that we are there for you whenever disaster strikes. We pride ourselves on our quick response time and efficient restoration process. You can trust us to assess the damage, provide an accurate estimate, and restore your property to its pre-storm condition in no time. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us now at 737-703-1442 for a free estimate for all your storm damage repair needs. Visit our website to learn more about our services and see how we can help you get back on track after a storm. Trust the experts and let us handle your storm damage restoration in Austin, Texas.